Welcome to our guide on replacing the Arnott rear air springs for BMW X5 E53 with rear leveling. This video will help you safely and effectively replace the air springs in your vehicle. Now let's walk through the steps to ensure a smooth replacement. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. First, open the trunk lid of the car. Now unlock the luggage compartment floor trim panel at the handle, which is marked as 1 in the visual. Once unlocked, remove the panel, marked as 2. Now raise the vehicle and remove the rear wheel. Remove the support for the side members, marked as 1. This gives you access to the air reservoir, marked as 2. Next, carefully loosen the air fitting, located at the arrow, to deflate the air spring. Disconnect the top of the air spring by pressing the quick coupling downwards, marked as 1. Then press the retaining ring together, marked as 2, to detach the airline. Now you can remove the retaining clips, marked as 3. Next, detach the locking clip from the bottom of the air spring mount and remove the clip, marked as 1 in the second image. You can now remove the air spring from the vehicle. Good job, the removal is now complete. Install the new air springs in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Check for proper orientation of the airline retention clip, making sure the tapered edge is facing downward towards the spring and is fully seated. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced the Arnott rear air springs. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the Arnott rear air springs for BMW X5 E53. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.